Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jess. My wife's got a couple of hooks that she wants me to put up today for her plants. We're going to put them in a couple of the bathrooms. And these are super easy. They do have a toggle, but they also have another screw you can insert into the hook. If you do drill your hole and hit a stud, you just put that in. If you don't hit a stud, you put the toggle on. Either way, you're good to go. Let's try to do this in under 2 minutes. Let's get it. Alright guys, this is super easy. Get you an 1/8 inch drill bit. Once you figure out your desired location, go ahead and drill the hole. If you hit a stud, what you're going to want to do is get the screw that mounts into the bottom of the hook, screw it in, and then screw that into the ceiling, and you're good to go. If you drill your 1/8 inch hole and you don't hit a stud, go ahead and get a 5/8 inch drill bit, drill the hole out bigger, assemble the toggle, put that up in the ceiling, and screw it on tight. That's all you got to do, and you're ready to hang some plants. That's it for this video, guys. Really appreciate y'all watching. Super easy, super quick. Anybody can do it, and we'll catch y'all on the next video.